Happy morning, children. Hope you would have learned the first unit of English. It's time to start the second unit. Are you ready to learn the second unit? Yes. Today you are going to learn the second unit of English. The topic of this unit is Wonders of the Jungle. Come, let's get into the video session. Today you are going to see the unit 2, Wonders of the Jungle. Look and say. Now we will learn some names of our animals. First one is G-A-U-R, gaur. R-H-I-N-O, rhino. C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. B-E-A-R, bear. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. D-E-E-R, deer. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Let us sing a poem, Fun in the Forest. So fun means what? Happy, joy. Joy in the forest. Monkeys can jump and parrots can fly. Turtles can swim and cheetahs can run. Giraffes are tall and hippos are big. Zebras are swift. Tigers are strong. We see the animals here today. They love to play and love to say, would you join us and play? Are you ready to sing a song with me? Fun in the forest. Monkeys can jump and parrots can fly. Turtles can swim and cheetahs can run. Giraffes are tall and hippos are big. Zebras are swift and tigers are strong. We see the animals here today. They love to play and love to say, would you join us and play? Children, sing the song with action. It's a story time. Let us see a story of Chutti. Chutti was a squirrel. Let's see the story. The topic of this story is Chutti's tale. Chutti was a little and a happy squirrel. Chutti liked to run and play. She jumped over little stones and big stones. She stood on two legs to look around. She ran on four legs over the ground. Chutti liked to have fun. One day, Chutti turned her head. She looked at her tail. It was fluffy and was light. But of what use was it? Chutti went to the Dr. Bear to get a new tail. Dr. Bear told her that it looks very good and doesn't hurt her. Then Dr. Bear asked why would she want to change her tail. Chutti looked some tails hanged on the wall and selected the tail. Dr. Bear told that it was a tail of a monkey. But Chutti said she likes it. It was long. It helps her to climb trees. Dr. Bear fixed monkey's tail for Chutti. Chutti got a new tail. It was long and curvy. She loved it, but she could not run because Chutti was small and light, but the tail was long and heavy. She feels very difficult to move. So Chutti went back to the Dr. Bear and asked to remove the monkey's tail and fix the striped tail. Dr. Bear said that it was a cat's tail and that she will not like it. Chutti said she really liked it and got it fixed. She was happy with the new tail. A dog saw her tail and thought it was a dog. He chased her. Chutti ran and climbed on a tree. Her heart was beating very fast. She thought that the cat's tail would do anything. Chutti went back to the Dr. Bear and asked him to change her other old tail. She don't want the new tail at all. So the Dr. Bear fixed the old tail. Here we see that the Chutti at the end accepted herself for what she is. Like that, we must accept ourselves for what we are, rather than comparing us with others and asking we could become like them. Love yourself and be happy with what you have. Listen, think and write. Listen to the question, think which answer is correct and write the correct answer in the fill-ups. Chutti met the dash to change her tail. Whom did the Chutti met? Yes, Chutti met the bear, Dr. Bear, to change her tail. The first one answer is bear. Next one. Chutti saw the tails on the dash. So she saw the tails are hanged on the wall. Yes, the second one answer is wall. The third one. The cat has a dash tail. How the cat tails will be? Yes, cat's tails will be striped tails. Yes, so the answer is striped. The fourth one, the dash chased Chutti around the tree. Yes, who chased the Chutti? Yes, the dog chased the Chutti. The answer is dog. The fifth question, listen here. Do you like yourself? Yes, all of us like ourselves, right? Yes, you have to write. Yes. Valli and Chittu talk about names. Hello Chittu and Mittu, how are you? And Chittu and Mittu replying to Valli says that we are fine. And Mittu asking to Valli, why do you call me Mittu and my sister Chittu? Valli says, oh, it's your name. Mittu says, why do you need names? Valli says, we need names to call people. Does everything have a name? Valli says, yes, people, places, animals and things all have names. Children, do you think that it is easy to call a people or a place without names? No, it is not easy to call a place or a people or animals or a things without the names. Each and every one and a thing has a names. All naming words are called nouns. So the naming words are called nouns. Let us practice. Match the names to the picture. Each and everything has a name, right? So you have to read the names of the things and the animals here they have given, and you have to match the names with their picture. So first one, read here what the name here they have given. First one, SCHOOL, school. Yes, school. Match the school with the picture, school. Second one, CROW, crow. Yes, here they have given the picture of crow. Yes, you have to match the name crow with its picture. And the third one is BOY, boy. Yes, match the name boy with its picture. And the fourth one, TABLE, table. Match the name table with its picture. And the fifth one is COW, cow. Match the cow with its picture. And the sixth one is CARROT, carrot. Yes, match the name carrot with its picture. Listen to this conversation and we can come to know about where we have to use have and has. See to the conversation. What do you have? The girl says, I have a toy. And the boy asking, what do you have? You have a book. What does she have? She has an umbrella. What does he have? He has a ball. What they have? They have kites. So you have to say have after I, they, you, and as after he and she. Write as or have in the blanks. The first one, I dash an apple. So after I, what you have to use? Have. I have an apple. Second one, she dash a pen. She. So you have to write has. She has a pen. The third one, he dash a cake. So next to E, you have to add has. He has a cake. The fourth one, they dash a pet. So plural form they, you have to write have. They have a pet. Fifth one, you dash a car. You have a car. And the sixth one, Rani dash an egg. Rani has an egg. Listen and say. O-A. O as in boat, road. Boat, road. We can have some other words with the OA sound. L-O-A-D, load. T-O-A-D, toad. F-O-A-M, foam. R-O-A-M, roam. C-O-A-T, coat. G-O-A-T, goat. Let's see another sound of letters O-W. O as in crow, grow, flow, grow, show, slow, snow, row. So the sound of O-W is O. The sound of O-E is in stone, rope, cone, loan, tone, pole, note, vote. Let's see our story. This story is for your reading practice. Since in this story all the words contains 2 or 3 letters words. The topic of this story is where is my cup? Where is my cup? Monty is sad. Where is my cup? Not here, not there. Where is my cup? Not on the mat, not under the bed. Where is my cup? Not in the bin, not on the pot. Where is my cup? Not in the tub, not here, not there. Oh, it is here. It is in my bag. Children, read the story. Improve your reading skill. Match the picture with its name. So the first picture, what it is? Yes, it is a cup. The name of the cup, you can spell the name C-U-P, cup. The second one is bag. The name of the bag, B-A-G, bag. And the third one is bin, B-I-N, bin. Fourth one is pot, P-O-T, pot. And the fifth one is tub, T-U-B, tub. Students, hope you would have understand this lesson. Thank you.